welcome back to our channel. Take it simple. On today's video I'm going to show you how to change Quora's password. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Quora app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen you can see options like home, following, your answers, spaces and notifications. Go ahead and stay on home. Then on the top left corner you're gonna find your user icon or your profile picture. Select that, then go to settings. Under settings you have to go to account. Now there you can see email, add email option, and right below that there's password. Select change password option from there. Go ahead, enter your password there. Once you've entered your password, tap on done. Then select or create a new password there. Confirm your new password. Make sure your new password has one uppercase, one lowercase, at least 8 characters and a number. Once you do that, tap on change password and there you go. And guys, that's it. That's how you change Quora's password. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.